Alright, we're right here in the car, on our way back. Say what's up, Jim.
What's up?
You got Dustin back there.
What up?
Yeah, so we're coming back from the courthouse, and there is a crazy ass freaking blizzard, man. I don't know if you can see this shit, but it doesn't look like too much through the camera, because the camera's fucking not detecting the snow. In fact, it looks better through here.
Well, let me look at the camera and I'll drive with the camera.
I know, that's what I was about to say. I'm like, just use the camera, man. This shit's got everything in view.
That's wicked, man.
Isn't that crazy?
That's bullshit.
I know, right?
I need a camera. I'm driving with the camera.
So I'm like, yeah, the conditions are much worse than what the camera puts it out to be. But who knows, we'll watch this shit later. Look at all these fucking cars and lights, man.
Also, the camera's making me 50 pounds heavier.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna put this video on the laptop. There, I got this shit. That's one thing I forgot about. I can make videos and put them on there. Post them on YouTube and shit. Do some shit. I got some text messages. See what the hell's going on. Feel free to say something.
Vaginas.
Here, hold it for a bit.
That's what
It's still
she said.
recording. It's still recording.
Yeah, that's nuts. About 10 minutes ago, we were in Illinois, bright fucking skies. The second we crossed into Wisconsin, crazy fucking blizzards.
Got shit on by snow. Welcome to Wisconsin.
This is
Right?
Are you kidding me? What the hell is this?
the only positive thing I can say about this, at least we didn't have this weather on our way to Chicago.
Yeah. Well, it was kind of starting.
Because now we could be more careful and not worry about, yeah, you know.
Dude, I can't believe how good this looks through the camera. Like, even when the windshield's all full of shit.
Here, let me see. I just want to fucking, maybe it'll help me drive. Oh, hell yeah. This looks like nothing. Maybe my windshield's... No, dude, there's a lot of snow out there. We are going almost 40 and a 65. Alright, you got a camera back.
Yeah, that's probably not the safest thing, huh?
Probably concentrate on driving.
Yeah, we're moving pretty slow on the freeway right now. We're still passing motherfuckers. Whoa, we're dropping the camera and shit. Dude, they should make cars with like screens like this for windshields.
Hell yeah. I already thought of that. Like at night, you could just press a button and it'll do that night vision shit so it'll look like it's the daytime.
Hell yeah, dude.
Cruise around with no flash or no headlights and you'd be just fine.
Right? Mandatory night vision in all vehicles.
Hell yeah. But imagine
Whoa.
all the people who would not hit deer.
Yeah.
Like you see a sign.
And they can send out like a little sonar too, like a fucking submarine and shit. So they can tell if there's like deer coming.
Okay, that's kind of ridiculous.
Dude, wouldn't you
We'll
like to have
try
a
it.
sonar in your car?
Yeah, it would be kind of cool.
Or they have like a little laptop set up in your car where it has like a blueprint of the city and where all the cops are driving around, dude. Like somehow you could like log on to a fucking satellite and get all the positioning of the cop vehicles.
Hell yeah, pig radar.
Yeah, dude, that would be awesome, man.
Pretty cool.
Some GTA shit. I was just thinking about that like yesterday or something.
Or just simply everyone with a laptop on in their car because you could assume they're cops.
Yeah.
So who drives around with a laptop on in their vehicle other than Alex Cruz while they're driving, you know?
Yeah, well, like, I got some friends that bring their laptops when they come to Milwaukee to get me.
No, but like on?
Yeah, we'll have it on in the car and
Alright.
we'll
But
surf the internet on the way back and shit.
numerically, you could probably just assume they're cops.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, for
Still
sure.
be in the clear.
For sure. Yeah, that'd be pretty wicked. Dude, I can even see better out your rearview mirror with this. It's traffic like behind us.
Hey, ma.
Not too much bustling, it's all way back there.
¿Todavía está Disney contigo? ¿Ya se fue? ¿Está nevando por allá? No, porque acá está nevando un montón. Aquí en Wisconsin ya, pero todavía no he llegado, me faltan unas cuantas horas. Sí, ya traté de llamarle, pero no me contestó. Voy a tratar de llamarle otra vez. Ok. Ok, está bien. Ok. Sí. Claro. Ok. Claro que sí, mam. Okay, bye, man. I said Liz left right away. So she probably got caught in this too.
Oh, sorry about that. Must have changed the language to Spanish there.
She's further. She's closer to getting home than we are.
She's got Kaylin with her too, so.
Yeah. I still want to make sure she's good.
Mount Pleasant.
There's no mountains here. It's Wisconsin.
Right. Dude, we gotta go find Mount Hump.
Is there a Mount Hump?
I don't know, on that 70 show there is.
There's a Mount Vernon. It's like, who's Vernon and why am I supposed to mount him?
Right.
Should I call him again, or should I try calling me?
Who's this Kilimanjaro and why am I supposed to mount him? You want me to mount a guy?
Are you still recording?
Yeah, dude.
You want me to mount a guy
Is
named
this thing?
Manjaro and you want me
Yeah.
to kill him? Mount and then kill a Manjaro. I'll do it.
I had it like up by you when you're talking Spanish. I'm like, oh, sorry, you must have hit the sat button.
Cop's just sitting there like, I'm not going to pull anyone over because that means I got to get out of this shitstorm.
He probably wouldn't care. I didn't even think he'd probably still do it.
I've not gotten tickets in the rain solely because it was raining.
Yeah, I used to think that shit too. Sometimes it'll still stop you.
Well, yeah, if you're ridiculously over the limit.
Hell yeah, if I was him though, I'd be chilling too.
Right? Easy pay right there.
Well, also you're waiting for the car accident that's
Yeah.
bound to fucking happen.
That too.
Like, alright, I'll just stick it out here.
And you know, there's like a new, I don't know if it was a law or like a
Not that
budget
much.
plan or
I'll let
something,
'em in.
but all cops now are supposed to like just sit there, like, you know, just sit and camp out or whatever, so much out of the day to like save on gas.
I can see that. They have piggy powwows up by Dodge County. There'll be like two of them facing the opposite way, and they'll just sit there and talk
Yeah.
for an hour. Share donuts, you know.
Yeah, but like I heard that on the either on the radio or I saw it on the news or something. That that's part of like I said, either a budget plan or like a law, cut down on
Probably a
money.
budget plan.
Yeah, something. Yeah. Well, the highway's finally thinning out. It looks.
Probably looks gorgeous through that screen.
It looks pretty decent, man.
Probably like birds chirping in the background.
Yeah, it just looks like a Dark Knight. That's all.
Like
a
the movie?
Yeah.
Like Dark Knight.
In a state where it's snowing constantly.
Coming soon.